think my number one priority is to encourage every public sector organisation, that's the government, local authorities, the health service, education, for example, to actually look at sustainability as their number one priority. Because I think if we all looked at sustainability as our number one priority, it would change some of the decisions that we make. And I think it would be great if young people your age would start, in a sense, testing, you know, what your schools are doing, what your communities are doing, what your council is doing, which is part of the job of our climate change champions, testing people on how sustainable the decisions that they make are. Can I say that I'm absolutely delighted to be here once again with Derek Brockway at the awards ceremony to celebrate the work of eco-schools across Wales. I think back in 1995 there were 10 pilot eco-schools in Wales. So from 1995, where there were 10, now there are over 1,600.
The first award today is the Special School of the Year, and the winner is Meadowbank Special School. I'm pleased to tell you that the winner is Gwobrau Comprehensive School. Primary School. I'm pleased to announce that the winner is, after a long journey, Cenedlaethol.
You can do it too. Silver foil, chocolate wrapping, engine oil, rubbish in the gutter, junk upon the beach. Is this what we really want to see? No, no.
Hello everyone, we are two of 2009's Climate Change Champions for Wales. I'm Darren Richards.
And I'm Anna Surridge.
And we're here today to give you a presentation on us as champions, what we've done and what we're doing in the year to come. Some of our duties during the year will include going into our local communities and across Wales and telling people what they can do, small things that can make a big difference.
Back in February, we all went on a fact-finding expedition to Brussels, the capital of Belgium. The government there would like to make Brussels the first European capital of development by next year.
I'm pleased to announce that the winner is, you could hear a pin drop, Tavern Spice County Pride. announce that the winner is Cenedlaethol Primary School House. And the winner is Caerdydd. The winner is louder. St Helen. I must say, what a fantastic job you're all doing. Just keep up the good work. Keep saving the planet and fending off this climate change. I hope you have a safe journey home today. And remember, whatever the weather, the outlook is bright.